Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Paraclock Gaming Channel. I am Officer Para, OP. We are gonna get right into it and start a patrol in Conway section. An evening patrol shift. Just get up off the desk. Get my trusty controller going. And I think we're going to pick, once I find out where the car is. I think we're going to pick the Crown Vic today. Just to switch it up. Did they fix this Crown Vic? I don't remember those antennas being on the back. I'm gonna have to look back at old episodes. I don't remember the antennas being on the back of those. That looks like it's new. So, this is just a game that
assistance required.
on our accident. Don't do it. Gotta make some noise. This is a game that I will always play, no matter what. I can't go there. I need to look at the map. Not that. I need to look at the map. Map. So I have to go south. So stupid. Yeah, I'll do the watch me suck out games, but 9 times out of 10, I will just pull out this game. Really suck stuff. 47, I am 23 on scene of the accident.
I've arrived at the scene.
Alright, here we go. There, what happened?
I don't understand what happened, officer.
Neither do I, that's why I'm here. I'm trying to figure out the facts. And just by you telling me nothing, that's gonna make my life not cool.
Let me have a look at your ID and insurance card, please.
Sure. Here you go, officer.
Travis Rhyme?
We have an emergency. Who's currently available?
I'm taking care of another issue at the moment.
That's good, that's good. Checking the system. All valid. Strong world. Sir, have you been drinking? Or taking any narcotics? Test on you. He's like, I don't know, why are you doing that? There's a lady drinking in the background. Nice. Alright, hang on, sir. Oh. Hi, how are you?
The reason why you're being detained is because you're drinking in public.
I will stop now. Right now.
Yeah, sure you will.
Let me have a look at your ID, please.
Let me see if I can find it, officer.
Right in your prison. Yep, that looks like you. And everything's all good. Here.
I'm gonna have to fine you with a $300 ticket for public intoxication.
You're ruining my
Should
day.
add public urination. That's right. Alright, see you later.
Everything's fine. Good to go. Bye.
Alright. What are you doing? Someone's killed me. Jeez, man. What did that guy do? This guy.
That driver was exceeding the speed limit.
Oh my
You have
god!
to arrest him, officer.
Alright, you have an ID?
ID, and, if available, proof of insurance, please.
Here you go, officer.
Somebody's gotta go to jail. Expired ID. Immediately getting a ticket for having an expired ID.
I'm issuing you a ticket for your expired ID. That should cost between $75 and $150.
I don't have that much money.
Alcohol? Have you been drinking today, sir? Another lady drinking. Is she just standing right next to the other lady? Right back, bye. Oh, no, don't you do that.
You're being detained for drinking in public.
And jaywalking.
I'm really not that drunk.
You're probably a horrible drunk.
I need to see your ID, please.
Ah,
Norma Duran. Expired. Alright. So you're gonna get 3 tickets. You're gonna get expired ID.
I have to fine you for carrying an expired ID.
You're gonna
It will
get
cost you between $75 and $100.
drinking, and you're gonna get
oh,
jaywalking.
come on. That's so much money.
Sorry, ma'am. You did it yourself.
I have to fine you for drinking in public. It will cost you $300.
Really? That's so much money.
I have to fine you for jaywalking. It will cost you $25.
So much money for such a little infraction.
All right, you're free to go. Enjoy your day.
I don't know who has the car. Ah, not the car. Her.
I was driving under the speed limit, officer.
Were ya? Sure you weren't. Because I got 2 people over there saying.
I need to see your driver's license and registration, please.
Yeah, sure, officer.
Sure, Just making you love me. Missing. I ain't trying that first name. That's good. That's not E.
Any officers available? We need
I'm taking care of another issue at the moment.
Get back. All right. We've been. Any drugs? No. All right, hang out. Don't get hit by everyone doing a 360. Oh, yeah. Say hello. Did you say hello?
Hi.
There we go. I think it's this car. There we go. There's the police shot. Yeah, just pictures. so, sir, here's your accident report.
Okay, here's your accident report.
Oh, wow. Such an extensive report.
We're finished here. You're free to go. Have a nice day and take care.
Oh, you got some.
Okay, here's your accident report.
This is an accurate report. Thank you.
You're good to go. Drive safe and have a nice day. This is your accident report.
This is an accurate report. Thank
It
you.
is. You should all see the other report we were arresting you for a stolen.
You're being arrested for carrying a stolen ID. Move to the sidewalk, please.
Please, no!
I have a car here that needs towing. Please send a tow truck to my current location. The reason why you're being detained is because you're drinking in public.
I will stop now. Right now.
Please show me your ID.
Let me see if I can find it, officer.
Look, there's another guy who's drunk walking by. Oh my God. Everyone drinking today. This is another drunk episode.
I'm giving you a $300 ticket for drinking in public.
Why does it cost so much?
Everything's fine. Good to go. Bye.
Dispatch here. We have
I'm taking care of another issue at the moment. You're being detained for drinking in public.
That's not true, officer.
It's in your hand, dummy.
I'd like to see your ID, please.
Oh, of course, officer. Here's my ID.
San John Cabrera. Valid. Got a verbal warning for drinking in public. Now you're definitely gonna be taken. You've been warned about this.
You're being ticketed and fined for up to $300 for drinking in public.
I don't have that much money.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Let's go deal with stolen ID lady. Search. Damp raisins. Should be a charge.
I need some backup here to take a suspect into custody.
Copy that. The nearest available unit will be sent to your current location.
Alright. Seems like I'm done. Unless I paddy wagon. So I get my cuffs back. Hat, no hat. Hat, no hat. Hat, no hat. Get out! Get out of the car! Go get her!
It's good
Keep
to see
the
you
cuffs.
again, officer.
Oh, where's my foot?
Hi, citizen.
Hello. Oh, you're drinking. I see it.
The reason why you're being detained is because you're drinking in public.
You're right, officer. I have to stop drinking out in public.
Let me have a look at your ID, please.
Yeah, sure,
In
officer.
the course of this one call, I think I've had 4 drinking in public. John Haskawa. Gawa? Has? Hasegawa? Hasegawa. We're gonna go with that. Doesn't matter what we go with because it's fake.
I'm gonna have to fine you with a $300 ticket for public intoxication.
You're ruining my day.
Just gonna make your day better, sir. Watch this.
The reason why you're under arrest is because you're carrying a fake ID.
Boo.
Please, officer.
Oh, now you beg. Oh, ounce of weed too. Nice.
I need some backup here to take a suspect into
So
custody.
I've been working with Officer Beaver recently, doing some multiplayers. I'm trying to get together with Southern Fried Gaming to do a multiplayer with them, but there's only one partner right now. I just
parked
wrote
close
the
to
wrong
you. I will
ticket.
arrive at your location soon.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna walk away. Getting out of here. Bye bye. Leaving. That pissed me off. I hit the wrong button. I can't go that way. I'm going this way. No, I can't even go that way. I want to go into the city. You are I'm running your plate. And valid insurance. And you're weaving all over the road. Alright. So, smashed up windshield, weaving all over the road,
Hi, officer.
and what was it? Invalid.
We require support.
Hi there.
Who's
I'm
available?
currently busy with another issue. The reason I pulled you over is because your license plate is out of date.
Expired? Really?
Yes!
I'd like to see your driver's license and car insurance, please.
Yes, officer. There you go.
Shannon Essa. Male or female? Am I allowed to judge that? I don't know. Doesn't matter, because it's fake.
Out of your car and move to the sidewalk, please.
Any officers available? We
Oh.
I'm taking care of another issue at the moment.
Alright. Play Alpalta. 1.46. Good job, sir. Ma'am? I don't know. Do a drug test. I wish, like I could actually do this in real life. Like, I'm not even arresting you yet, but just...
I have a vehicle here for towing. Can you send a tow truck to my current location? The reason why you're under arrest is because you were drinking and driving.
Yeah, I don't deal with searching.
Oh, please don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't drink and drive. There's my tow truck. Stiletto, fidget spinner, dice, cucumber, and coins. Sir, where were you going with those things? You know what? You know what? I don't want to know.
I need some backup here to take a suspect into custody.
Understood. We're sending the closest transport to your location.
No hat.
Officer?
Hello.
Thank you, 2 points. You gonna greet me? Ah, you gonna greet me? Here's
I just
my
parked close to
backup.
you. I will arrive at your location soon.
This is Officer Miranda. She's gonna read your rules.
Okay, partner. I'm here to take the suspect into custody. Please cooperate and come with me to the patrol car.
Guess that's my handcuffs.
At your service, officer.
That is definitely the problem. Oh my god! At least you didn't walk into the cross. Hey, Stumbles, how you doing?
You're detained for drinking publicly. It's a violation.
Well, I admit that I've been drinking in public.
Let me see your ID, please.
Usually when they admit it, there's something
Sure,
else
officer.
wrong.
Here you go.
Steve Medina. Called it! Of course you smell alcohol, he's drinking. So you get a public...
You're being
ticket.
charged and ticketed for up to $300 for
There's
drinking
another
in
one
public.
right next to him.
Really?
There's another one right next to him!
That is
There's
so
two
much
right
money!
there.
You're under arrest for carrying a fake ID.
We need
No,
support. Who's
don't.
available?
I'm taking
Please,
care of another
officer.
issue at the moment.
Switchblade. Good job, buddy.
I need backup to take a subject into custody.
Understood. The closest available unit will be dispatched to your location.
Excellent. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oh. First, I got you.
That driver was exceeding the speed limit. You have to arrest them, officer.
Ah, okay.
I'd like to see your ID, please.
Ah. The Long Gallows.
You're being detained for drinking in public.
That's not true, officer.
It's in your stupid friggin' hand.
I have to ticket you for public drinking. That will be up to $300.
I don't have that much money.
You should have been drinking in public, dummy.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Hi, officer.
Oh, get my 2 points. Get my 2 points.
Hi there.
There we go. And
The way
What'd you
that
say?
person was driving looked downright dangerous.
oh, they look drunk. Have your ID?
Show me your ID, please.
Okay, officer.
Tiana Murphy.
We require an officer to handle a traffic stop. Can you take care of it?
Open warrant. Nice.
I'm currently dealing with something else.
So, Miss Murphy, I think it was.
I'm giving you a $300 ticket for drinking in public.
Why does it cost so much?
Because you're dumb. Stupid. And you're gonna get arrested for having an open warrant.
The reason why you're under arrest is because you have an open warrant on you.
Oh my god, another one! I gotta process the crash.
Please, don't do that.
I need backup to take a subject into custody.
Understood. We're sending the closest transport to your location.
Let me start processing this. Not that. You.
I think I drove a little too fast.
You think?
Please show me your ID and vehicle insurance.
Here you go, officer.
Bong Jong Miranda. Valid picture. Should we get...
Hey, partner, I just parked near you. I'll be at your location soon.
Thanks, bestie.
I have to fine you for having an expired license plate. It will cost you between $50 and $250.
My lawyer
Hey, partner.
will take care
I'll
of
take
it.
the suspect directly into custody. Please cooperate and come with me to the patrol car.
You an
At
alcohol
your
test?
service,
Because
officer.
you're weaving and bobbing like Muhammad Ali. .12. Going to jail. Alright. Okay. Bye, bestie. Alright, sir, you hang out here and don't fall or drink anymore. Yeah, you're going to jail too.
I didn't have full control of my car.
Probably don't have full control of your bladder either at this point.
License and registration, please.
Sure, here you go, officer.
So he had Carlos Alberto Porter, and you're a male. That don't add up. So,
We have an emergency. Who's currently
God, go
I'm
away.
taking care of another issue at the moment.
That's, yeah. Alright, we're going to give that back. And we are going to... You're going to blow a 1.47. 0.147. 0.18. Wow. You are we'll go 2 and change. How are you standing, ma'am? I figured you'd stumble into that bush right next to us. Let's do drug test. Alright, hang out. I'll be back.
What's up?
We have a traffic stop that needs to be handled.
Hey there. I'm not sure I'll be able to get there in time.
Hey, stupid.
You're being detained for drinking in public.
It's just water. Come on.
With hops and herbs.
I'd like to see your ID, please.
Here, officer.
Javovi Howard. I want to say it's fake. Yep. Can always tell. And that.
I have to ticket you for public drinking. That will be up to $300.
I didn't expect it to be that expensive.
Oh, she's angry. Eat.
I have to arrest you for carrying a stolen ID.
What?
Search. Search.
I need some backup here to take a suspect into custody.
Understood. We're sending the closest transport to your location.
Alright. Now I'm gonna move my car to get these cars out of here. And because I'm cool. That's it. Except we're not a sidewalk goes on a police officer.
There's an emergency.
Oh,
I'm
stop
currently
it!
busy with another issue.
Officer available?
Pictures. Wow. A lot of pictures. 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 Alright. So both of them are going to jail for DUI.
All right, here's your accident report.
A well-documented and exhaustive report. Thank you,
I'll be
officer.
arriving at your location soon.
Go to jail.
You're under arrest for DUI. Please cooperate and step to the sidewalk.
I'll take charge of the suspect, partner.
I think that's when you get
Please
jailed.
cooperate and come with me to the police station.
No, don't. Please, officer.
I have a vehicle here for towing. Can you send a tow truck to my current location? Hi.
That driver seems drunk, officer. You should look into it.
I did. Fuck.
I'd like to see your ID, please.
Here, officer.
I just wanna arrest everybody. Ernesto Yamashita. Yamashita? It says Yamashita. That's his name. Alright. You have a good day, Mr. Yamashita.
You're good to go. Bye.
Sir, here's your
Okay,
report.
here's your accident report.
This is an accurate report. Thank you.
Welcome. You're under arrest for DUI.
I have to arrest you for driving under the influence of alcohol. Please cooperate and move to the sidewalk.
What?
Did you get back in yet?
I have a car here that needs towing. Please send a tow truck to my current location.
Tow truck will be at your location as soon as possible.
Yo, 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 keys and candy. Sounds like a rapper. Yo, 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 keys, candy in the house. Yo.
Backup requested to take a suspect into custody. I repeat, backup requested.
Copy that. The nearest available unit will be sent to your current location.
Why isn't she moving? Are you currently holding a rap album inside your personal smartphone in a wallet?
Backup requested to take a suspect into custody. I repeat, backup requested.
an hour left on this shift.
Copy that. The nearest available unit will be sent to your current location.
Bye. Oh. I forgot. The reason I was... Guys parked on the crosswalk.
What's up, officer?
What's up? Drunk.
Hey there. You're being detained for drinking in public?
I'm fine. Just had a sip, not more, I promise.
Promise.
I'd like to see your ID,
Stop trying to
please.
succotash.
Here, officer.
Pascuala Suarez, a male. Fake.
There's a situation that needs taking care of.
No.
Anybody available?
I'm currently busy with another issue. You're being ticketed and fined for up to $300 for drinking in public.
I don't have that much money.
I have to arrest you for carrying a fake ID.
That.
What?
Oh, she doesn't have a bottle on her though. Public intoxication I can get him for. If that was a charge. Developers, do public intoxication. Stiletto, coins, and a cucumber. At 11 p.m. at night.
Backup requested to take a suspect into custody. I repeat, backup requested.
Support required. Any
I'm
officers
taking
available,
care of
nearest
another issue
available
at the
unit
moment.
will be sent to your current location.
By the way, being 11 o'clock at night, it's pretty light out here. Alright. Got about a half hour more. See if we can do one more thing. And it's pull over this taxi. Open arrest warrant. Carrie Wisniewski. Come on, Wisniewski. Let's go. Right in front of the stadium. As you hit a pedestrian. She just littered.
Excuse me. Please, officer. I'm trying to find the stadium. Can you tell me where
Right
it is?
there.
See, that's where the stadium is.
Thank you so much.
I stopped you because I saw you littering.
You're right, officer. I'll dispose of it properly next time.
Your ID, please.
Sure, officer. Here you go.
Listen, I know a Melissa Nunez. Good. Alright. Because, you're very nice and apparently dumb as a rock because you can't, look behind you. You're warning.
I'm gonna leave you with just a verbal warning.
What a relief. Thanks, officer.
It's fine. Have a nice day.
It's good to see you again, officer.
Hi there.
Thank you, 2 points. Sorry, I had an idiot who couldn't look behind her. Detaining you because... warrant.
The reason I pulled you over is because the owner of this vehicle has an open warrant.
Support required.
Ow!
Taking care of another issue
So
at the moment.
unlucky.
Driver's license and insurance card, please.
Yeah, sure, officer.
I don't even have the date anymore, so I can't tell. I'm gonna say it's good. Yeah, it's still hurt. Alright, so get out of the car.
Slowly step out of the car and move to the sidewalk, please. I have a vehicle here for towing. Can you send a tow truck to my current location?
Getting that back.
Tow truck will be at your location shortly.
The reason why you're under arrest is because you have an open warrant on you.
Please, officer!
Okay. Weed in the city, God.
I need some backup here to take a suspect into custody.
Understood. We're sending the closest transport to your location.
Ready. Ah. Just get scooped around you, man. I have to get back. Just right over there. Back it in, smack it in. But hey, I didn't crash today. Let's see how we did. Got that 5 points off for taking writing the wrong ticket, but that was a slip of the controller. Wow. A lot of points here. So, all in all, it was a great shift. Got a lot of points. -2. 2%. But all in all, it was a great shift. I hope everyone comes back, and I hope everyone can be civil. And I'll see you later.